I get a lot of requests for children's books recommendations, and unfortunately, I'm unable to help them because I am really not aware of all the children's authors today and the books today. But that set me thinking, and I wanted to share some of my thoughts on how to get children into reading. This is purely based on my experience and what I have seen around me. I know this is a very challenging time for parents with digital devices and so much of distractions, but there are certain things which remain as it is, which I think will help children into reading. So, first thing is that get them interested in stories. I remember as a child, I was a tomboy. So, in the evening, Amma would call me to detangle my hair. She was a working parent, so she also did not get too much time. So she would call me, and I really did not like that. And my interest in that whole activity was that she would tell me stories. She would tell me stories of Rex Johnson, who was very adventurous and who appealed to that part of me. It was only much later when I grew up and started reading Alistair MacLean that I realized that she had filched these stories from his books and made Rex Johnson the hero. Then in the Trivandrum Public Library, when I was, I think, 6 or 7, there was a auntie who used to tell stories. That's a beautiful memory. I don't remember anything about this auntie other than the fact that she used to wear white and she used to have this beautiful smile. I adored going and listening to stories from her. Then there was my grandfather who used to tell me stories. We never stayed together, but once in a while when I visited him, he would tell us stories. So there was this pattern of stories in my life, and I loved stories. So get children interested in stories. You can always find 5 minutes to tell a story to a child, but you have to invest that 5 minutes. Tell them stories, let them be interested in stories. Don't tell them stories are a waste of time. I have seen parents tell their children, don't waste your time reading novels, read something serious. That is guaranteed to put them off reading. Reading is an escape for children. Let it remain like that. Let them enjoy that space. So get them interested in stories. The second thing is make books available to children. My brother and I are avid readers. And I remember that Achan used to bring back books from his office library. So I used to see him read. I used to see books around the house. Then we were also members of libraries in the Trivandrum Public Library. When we were in Delhi, in the Jorbagh Community Library. I don't think it's there anymore. So in class 4, in class 5, my brother and I used to go to the library and we used to pick up books, and that was such a beautiful activity. I loved it. So get children into libraries because books are expensive. It is not possible to always go and buy books. Then, even in schools, children have access to libraries and they bring home library books, which we never ask them what it is. It's always how was homework or how was exam. It's never, okay, what did you take in the library today? I'm sure there are parents who ask that question, but I'm just saying generally. It's so nice to just ask them, okay, what did you get from the library? Let's sit and just read it together. Or tell me what it is, or let me tell you what it is. My memories of that book, something, which makes children just relax. Another part of children loving books is getting them to respect books. When they are babies, do not allow them to tear books, please. I have seen parents who allow them to tear books, thinking that, okay, when they're big, we'll tell them not to tear. But what you're doing is you're allowing your child to think that it's okay to do this to books, and books are only worth that much. Just firmly take it away from them. I mean, you are the parent, you know better. So you should be taking away that book. Don't let them treat books with such disrespect. It's okay. Let them love books. I mean, they can have tattered books in their hands, but don't let them tear books, okay? That's a pet peeve of mine. So, and now I come to another very, very important part of the process of getting children to read, and that is allowing them to choose the book, allowing them to choose what to read. Do not tell them what to read. Let them find out. Let them find out what they like. Let them find out what they dislike. And don't tell them that they are too small to read that book. If they are able to understand, let them read it. That sense of power that a child gets when he or she is allowed to go and choose that book, it's amazing. Let them choose. Do not censor them. My parents did all these things without realizing that their actions were actually helping us become readers. But today you have the advantage of knowing that there are certain things which will make children readers. And the most important thing is that we also have to invest a bit of time. I mean, we can't just give a book to a child and say, okay, start reading. He might know how to read, how to form sentences, but understanding the story and getting into it will take a bit of effort. A reading habit is a skill. Equating a reading habit to a knowledge of the language is not right. A reading habit has to be built up. And for that, a child requires your help. You have to be there for them. You can't expect them to become a reader overnight. You can't expect them to start reading books which they are not interested in. So these are my 2 bits about getting children into reading. If you have anything more to say, please do comment and let me know. And please try to get your children into reading. Till we meet again for the next video, you guys stay safe, take care, bye bye.